OpenClaw has been the talk of the town. I'm Ellie from Synthetic, your favorite open source LLM provider, and today we'll be walking through how to use OpenClaw with Synthetic. Background on what I built. My mother is extremely annoying when it comes to personal questions, and she likes to ask me on a weekly basis. So I thought if I could proactively give her updates, then she wouldn't have to ask. So this WhatsApp agent will probe me for any updates and then send them to my mother in a nice way. Unfortunately, OpenClaw sends it word for word. Big yikes. So I texted further instructions as I sit next to my glaring mom. Ooh, new message. This looks pretty good, the emoji is on point, but let's do a quick check just in case. This is definitely a very nice message and not one I could have written myself. Anyway, back to setup. Let's get started. So we are going to start by installing, but first I wanted to check with Claude whether there was a safer way to do this. TLDR, there's not really a safe way for non-technical people to use ClaudeBot. I spent a few hours trying to put it in a Docker container, but that didn't really work. Yeah, we're gonna do it anyway because you guys wanted a tutorial, so let's just do it. I start by copying the command from their website and put it into my terminal. The next step is to start the onboarding. Starts with a reassuring question. Do I understand that this is powerful and risky? Evidently, sort of. I'll be choosing Quick Start because I couldn't get manual to work last time. Next, I choose Synthetic because they're privacy first, never train on my data, support all the open source models I've ever heard of, and really care about their customer experience. Today, I'll be using Minimax 2 to build momanagent. We'll use WhatsApp, so let's set it up. Setup is pretty quick and easy. They give you a QR code, you sign in on your phone, then you add your phone number. And that's it for setting up WhatsApp. Next, configure skills. I said yes, but didn't actually configure anything, so you can skip this. To check, enter, nope. Now we begin Vibecoding. My mother keeps asking me every week when I plan to get married. It happens. Please create a weekly summary of where I stand on these questions. It then asks me some pretty thoughtful questions, such as what should the message say? How should we say it? When do you want it sent? And where? Then we discuss how to make these updates. OpenClaw will text me on Monday mornings to check in, confirm my status, and craft a nice message.